Hi, my name is Tom Gravatt, and I will be your student's teacher for Essential Math this year. I look forward to working with your student and with you. Please take a few minutes to learn a little bit about the class and how you can get a hold of me. Thanks. Some of the topics that will be covered this year include a basic review of the four operations, pre-algebra skills, using decimals, fractions, expressions, solving equations, percents, exponents, basic geometry, which includes volume, area, perimeter, and measuring and drawing angles, graphing points, and graphing linear equations, and lastly, reading and interpreting graphs. This class will prepare your student for the next math class here at Eastview High School. Here is my schedule. If your child needs to Zoom with me for extra assistance, the best days are Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday when I have my periods 5th, 6th, and 7th. The easiest way to get a hold of me is through my district email. If your student needs some extra help or needs to Zoom with me, have them send me an email and we can set up a time. I really look forward to working with your student this year. Lastly, we are Eastview Together. We stand with all of our students and staff. We are committed to educational equity and ensuring that all of our students and staff feel safe and supported. We promote inclusivity, celebrate diversity, and practice empathy. We are Eastview.